How to make pom-pom keychain. The DIY kit comes with yarn, hardware, and a card, or you can use a piece of cardboard. You'll just need a set of scissors. We recommend bigger blade. It will make cutting your pom-pom go faster. You take the yarn and wind it across the short end of the card. It's 4 inches, so if you're cutting your own card, make sure that one side is 4 inches. Then you just keep winding the yarn until you have about, I would say, 10 to 15 inches left over. Then you cut. You carefully take it off the card, and then that 10 to 15 inches tail, you wrap it around the middle of the yarn and you tie it. You want to make sure it's as secure as possible, and you make a double knot. If it's not tight enough, the pom-pom strands might come out, so make sure it's really tight, and you can even double it on the other side for extra security. And again, make a double knot. Next, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut every loop. And just slowly go around and make sure you don't miss any loops. When you're 100% sure that every loop has been cut, now all you really have to do is just trim the pom-pom. And when you're trimming it, make sure you don't cut, well, first of all, make sure you're careful you don't cut yourself, but also don't cut the two longer strands, because this is what you're going to use to tie the pom-pom um, to the keychain. Or if you're making a pom-pom for a hat, for example, you'll be using those two strands to tie it, so it's very important that you don't accidentally cut them. So just carefully, you're just going around and you're just trimming it to make sure that everything looks nice and even. You can stop at any point as long as you're happy with your pom-pom. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then when you're done, just use the two long ends to tie it. You can tie it to your purse, you can tie it to the hardware that comes with your DIY kit. If you're making pom-pom for a hat, you can tie it to the hat. And that's it.